The future of luxury travel isn't just about supercars or first-class flights anymore. It's about motorhomes that look like they've rolled straight out of a science fiction movie. Welcome back to Luxury Wheels Review, and today we're diving into something extraordinary, the all-new Peugeot Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a bold statement in design, engineering, and modern living on the move. At first glance, the Peugeot Motorhome captivates with its striking futuristic exterior. The aerodynamic silhouette flows smoothly from front to back, giving it an aggressive yet elegant presence. The body is sculpted with sharp angles and clean lines, finished in a two-tone black and white design that's accented by glowing red strips running seamlessly along its edges. Those neon highlights don't just add flair, they create a signature look that sets this motorhome apart from anything else on the road. The gold-finished alloy wheels enhance the sense of prestige, while the bold Peugeot emblem on the grille reinforces its high-end identity. This is not just a motorhome for road trips, it's a vehicle designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and the futuristic theme continues. The lounge area greets you with a premium yet compact space that has been carefully designed for both relaxation and functionality. The sculpted seating is upholstered in deep red leather, striking a perfect balance between comfort and high-tech sophistication. Curved forms and wide armrests give it a futuristic character, while the compact glass table at the center adds a sense of openness. Soft ambient lighting runs along the ceiling, and red accents glow discreetly through the walls and panels, creating a warm, cinematic atmosphere. The overall feeling is premium yet intimate, exactly what you'd want in a motorhome that blends style and function. Moving further inside, the bedroom demonstrates how Peugeot has mastered the art of compact luxury. The bed is low profile and seamlessly integrated into the structure of the motorhome, ensuring stability while maximizing available space. Dressed in deep red bedding with touches of charcoal and metallic highlights, the bed reflects the same aesthetic harmony seen throughout the lounge. Above it, glossy storage cabinets are neatly integrated into the walls, offering functionality without compromising design. The headboard adds a futuristic touch, with Peugeot-inspired patterns softly illuminated in the background, making the bedroom feel both cozy and avant-garde. Slim vertical lights on either side of the bed provide reading illumination while maintaining the high-tech vibe. It's compact, efficient, and beautifully designed, proof that a motorhome bedroom doesn't have to sacrifice style for space. The kitchen continues the theme of compact efficiency with premium finishes. Unlike oversized designs that feel more like apartments, this space is perfectly scaled for a motorhome lifestyle. The cabinetry is flush and smooth, with glossy black and white panels that create a clean, futuristic look. A compact stainless steel sink and a two-burner induction stove are seamlessly integrated into the small countertop, providing just the right amount of utility without clutter. Overhead storage cabinets with a push-to-open system ensure there's plenty of room for essentials, while a slim integrated refrigerator completes the setup. Subtle under-cabinet lighting keeps the area bright, and reflective surfaces add a sense of depth without taking up actual space. This is a kitchen designed not for show, but for real-world functionality. Efficient, practical, yet undeniably futuristic. Next, the bathroom reveals just how far Peugeot has gone to make every corner of this motorhome feel premium. Compact but highly functional, the bathroom combines glossy white panels with matte black trim for a clean, modern finish. A sleek glass shower cabin sits neatly in one corner, featuring a sliding transparent door and polished chrome fixtures. The sink is a slim, rectangular basin mounted on a floating vanity with hidden storage, while a frameless smart mirror above adds both practicality and futuristic appeal. The toilet is seamlessly built into the wall, space-saving yet stylish. Soft white lighting from recessed ceiling panels ensures the space feels bright and open, while dark matte flooring adds contrast and depth. Every detail is designed to balance practicality with Peugeot's futuristic design language, making this bathroom one of the most impressive in its class. The cockpit is where Peugeot really flexes its automotive heritage. Sitting behind the wheel, you immediately feel the blend of a high-tech driving hub with the comfort of a luxury lounge. The dashboard flows across the front in matte black with glossy white trim, accented subtly with red illumination. A wide curved digital display dominates the center, offering everything from navigation to performance stats and entertainment controls. Touch-sensitive panels replace traditional buttons, adding to the futuristic character. The steering wheel is compact and sculpted, wrapped in premium leather with red stitching, reinforcing the Peugeot identity. The driver and passenger seats are sporty yet practical, upholstered in deep red leather with integrated headrests for maximum comfort during long drives. Panoramic front windows provide excellent visibility, while subtle ambient lighting in the footwells ensures a modern, immersive feel. It's a cockpit that brings Peugeot's signature driving DNA into the world of motorhomes, giving you the sense that you're not just driving a large vehicle, but commanding a futuristic machine. Beyond the design and comfort, the Peugeot Motorhome is backed by performance that makes long-distance travel both smooth and enjoyable. While exact powertrain details vary depending on configuration, Peugeot has equipped this motorhome with a robust engine system optimized for efficiency and reliability. Expect smooth acceleration for a vehicle of this size, with power delivery that handles highways and inclines with confidence. Advanced suspension systems ensure a comfortable ride, while noise insulation keeps the cabin quiet even at higher speeds. For safety, the motorhome is equipped with Peugeot's latest driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and collision detection systems. These features not only make driving easier but also provide peace of mind on long journeys. When it comes to pricing, the Peugeot Motorhome positions itself firmly in the premium category. Given its futuristic design, advanced technology, and luxury-focused interiors, it stands as a competitor against some of the most high-end motorhomes on the market. While official prices may vary by market, buyers can expect it to sit comfortably in the luxury RV bracket, appealing to those who want not just mobility, but a lifestyle statement. It's not just about where you're going, it's about how you get there. And with this motorhome, every journey feels like a first-class experience. The Peugeot Motorhome redefines expectations in the world of luxury travel. With its bold exterior design, compact yet premium interiors, and futuristic cockpit, it manages to balance practicality with innovation in a way few vehicles ever have. Every space, from the lounge to the bathroom, reflects a carefully considered approach to design and usability, proving that luxury can be compact without losing its charm. Add in impressive driving dynamics, cutting-edge safety features, and a price tag that places it firmly in the premium segment, and you've got a motorhome that feels less like a vehicle and more like a glimpse into the future of travel. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Peugeot Motorhome, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to Luxury Wheels Review for more insights into the world of high-end vehicles. Until next time, travel smart, travel bold, and keep dreaming of the road ahead.